Have you ever taken a photo at noon only to end up with harsh shadows, squinty faces and skin that looks like it's been fried on a barbecue? Here's the thing, more light doesn't always mean better photos. The simple fix, learn to use natural light the right way. Stick around because I got 5 easy tips that'll definitely help you with your natural light photography. Here's a quick one for you. Experienced photographers try to avoid midday sun like it's a bad date, because the overhead sun creates those nasty raccoon eyes and harsh shadows. Something as simple as shifting to morning or evening can instantly transform your photos. Now, natural light is a huge subject. Honestly, you could spend a whole course on it. But think of today as your launch pad. 5 quick tips to get you started to see instant results. And if you want more basic knowledge, grab my ebook, The 3 Essential Pillars of Good Photography. It's completely free when you sign up for my monthly newsletter. I have a link for you in the description. The first tip is to shoot during golden hour. That's the hour after sunrise and before sunset. The light is low, warm and soft, like nature's Instagram filter. Compare that to noon when the sun is like a spotlight straight down on your subject. Golden hour light wraps around them, making skin tones look amazing and colours rich. Secondly, if you can't avoid shooting at noon, get into open shade. That means shade from a tree, a building or even an umbrella, but with a clear view of the sky. It's like moving from a harsh spotlight into a softbox. The result is no more raccoon eyes, just nice, even, flattering light. Look for the edge between the sun and the shade and place the subject just inside the shade, facing out towards the sky. That's the sweet spot. Next up, when you're indoors, a window is your best friend. It's basically a free softbox. Sit your subject next to it, turn off the ceiling lights and let the natural light do the work. You can get beautiful portraits, product shots or even food photos just using a window. And for extra control, try turning your subject 45 degrees to the window for classic shadow and depth, or face them straight on for even, glowy light. And please, do yourself a favour, never rely on the ugly overhead light in the kitchen. It makes everyone look like a zombie auditioning for a horror film. Unless, of course, that's exactly what you're going for. Tip 4 is all about giving thought to where the light is coming from. Front light is safe and even, side lighting adds depth and drama, and backlighting can give you glowing halos or silhouettes. The advice here is don't just stand still, walk around your subject and see where the light is coming from. One step to the left or to the right can completely change the mood of your picture. It's like dancing with the light. If you stay in one spot, you miss all the best moves. Tip number 5 is to modify the light you've got available. A simple white wall or a poster board can bounce light back into your subject's face and fill in the shadows. A sheer curtain or even a white bed sheet can diffuse harsh sunlight. So if you don't have a reflector and a diffuser, you can hack it with stuff from the house. It's like bringing a toolkit to a DIY job. The light's already there, you just need to shape it. And here's a quick bonus tip. Start training your eye to notice light. Look around during the day. How does the morning sun look different from that in the evening? How does cloud cover change colours and shadows? Take some test shots at different times of day and in different weather conditions. The more you pay attention, the faster you'll spot great light when it really counts. So to recap our quick introduction to getting better shots in natural light. Shoot during golden hour. Use open shade at midday. Use window light indoors. Pay attention to the direction of light. Reflect or diffuse light when you need to. And not forgetting our bonus tip, scout the light every day. Master these little tips and you'll be light years ahead. Pun absolutely intended. So if you found this useful, give it a like and don't forget to hit subscribe. It really does help others find my channel. Don't forget to grab your copy of the ebook, and if you want to join a community of like-minded people, check out our Photography Foundations group over on School. It's a free community for beginner and intermediate photographers to learn, connect, grow and gain confidence together. There's a link for you in the description if that's something you're into. And drop me a comment below with your biggest lighting struggle. I'll be checking in and helping out where I can. As always, thanks for watching, take care and I'll see you soon.